Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be game 4 of my black and white deck. Doing the bot draft for Zendikar Rising. Let's get started. My past 3 games have been pretty good. Deck's going 3-0, so it's a pretty good record. Let's see if I can get to the golden 7. Get all the gems. It's a black and white Cleric deck, my personal favorite in this set. And I just feel like I do the best with the black-white Cleric deck. I find it a really cool deck. Just life gain decks in general, really, I'm pretty good with. Alright, my last opponent was a guy in like mythic level. Now I'm facing a diamond, so should be pretty good. So, right off the bat, this hand's not the best. It only has 2 mana, so really I only have that to play first. The Ghastly Gloom Hunter. Uh, yeah, so I'll need to be drawing mana to use those. Who's going first? I'm going first. Alright, I'll keep it. Knock on wood. What are the chances I'm not gonna get mana? There we go. What does he have here? He's got a Malachur Mire. Okay, so he's going black and red. Okay. He's got some nice old school lands. Fissure Wizard. And he's not using the wizard ability there. Okay. So I could go Marauding Blight Priest, or I could go Farsight Adept. I think I'm gonna start with the combo. Although he's probably gonna attack me with the Fissure Wizard, but I think that should be fine. Right. Good, that's good. Well, I got a Course Liberant here too, so I think I'm just gonna throw this boy down. And attack with my bat. Okay, so far so good. If I get another mana, I want to play this, and then either do some removal or the Emmerich Captain. Okay, interesting. I got another mana. Play that. I don't think I want to remove anything right now. We both get to draw. That's alright. Attack him again. That life. Oh. Oof. Love it. And I'm in a good place right now. Ooh, ouchie. So that's going to come in out as a 3-3, which is pretty nice. So yeah, I think I should probably still want to throw this out. But first, let's attack. Do that good damage. Okay. Do I want to use a Deadly Alliance on him? Probably. I don't want to trade. Oh no, my other bat. Oh, I guess, okay. I can't play that turn. So was that worth it? I think so. That's a good card. Really good card, in fact. Solid. That is very solid. So what do I want to do here? Take the 5, or I could double block as well. Which could also work, but it could also, that could be bad for me. By double block, he's going to put a counter on something. But yeah, if I don't, I'm taking that 5 damage to the face. I'll take it. Okay. Blood Chief's Thirst, that's pretty nice. So I could kill one of his guys here. So, what do I want to do? Do I want to do the Emmerich Captain? I definitely want to do this. Blood Chief's Thirst, what does it do? Converted mana cost 2 or less. Yes, let's kill that. Because I don't like him having that. And I honestly think using the Blood Beacon right now is a good idea. So I'm gonna do that. Get this and those two. Okay. The next turn I can play the Core Celebrant. That up, well, alright. Well, GG. So, I guess he didn't really have answers for that. Okay. Maybe he had 2 lands in hand. Even with a removal, I guess it's pretty tough if he did. If I did, I'd probably take out this, the Marauding Blight Priest. Or maybe the Ghastly Gloom Hunter. But, yeah, that's really tough. This card's really good. Blood Chief's Thirst. Just premium removal. Same with that. I really lucked out with the removal in this deck. Like, I just got the best. Best of the best here. But yeah, taking out that guy, I think was the right move. This guy's can provide a lot of pressure with that ability if you have open mana. Yeah, so he could have made this guy 5/3, and the menace. So yeah, killing him too decreased the power of this, which was nice. And yeah, I just had good defense. Yeah, I kind of wish I could have played that out a little. I think it would have been interesting. Play the Core Celebrant and another cat, Ghastly Gloom Hunter, most likely. And attack with that guy. But yeah, I guess the guy, he just gave up. He didn't want to play it anymore, which is it's fine. But yeah, no, this deck is good. Really good deck. And yeah, I guess he really didn't think he could win. So yeah, anyways, that's my 4th win. The deck is now 4-0. which is nice. I'm well on my way to those 7 wins. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to watch more, and on to my next game. Ciao for now, guys. I'll see you next time.